Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on OPPO F27. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and then volume button at the same time and hold it. And when you see OPPO logo on your screen, you will have to let go of power button and still hold volume down button. Now you have to press power button to select your language, and here you have to move to format data using volume buttons and press power button. Now you have to enter verification code, then click format. Then click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.